Section 8.3 is about drawing two-dimensional representations of 3D drawings, three-dimensional drawings. So essentially that is clearly a representation of a 3D block. Obviously it's not, because it's flat on the paper and flat on your screen. You can't reach in and sort of touch all the corners. So you're looking at a two-dimensional representation of what is in fact a 3D object. Now the skill in mathematics is to draw that technically and use either dotty paper or this wonderful stuff you can see there on the screen called isometric paper, which I downloaded for free. Now this stuff is lovely because wherever you measure, that one or that one or that one or that one, anywhere you want to measure, it's 1 unit across. I believe these are 1 centimeter actually. So I'm going to draw this life size, and if these lengths are actually bigger than their ones, obviously I've understretched this or overstretched it when I pasted it onto the background. So this isn't even a real question. This is an example in the book located on page 119. The questions themselves in 8.3 are complete rubbish, and I'm not going to waste your time with them. They really are rubbish. So if you're given this an exam, you're told to draw it on the papers provided. This is what you're going to have to do. So I'm going to use like a ruler and do it in blue. I'm going to do it quite thick because I want it to stand out. So let's see how this works out. I've got to start somewhere. Well, that's 4 across that way. So if I start here and go 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think I've got it. So that represents that bit. So this is like proper size and that's like pretend size. Then I'm coming down here. That's obviously 1 centimeter. So I'm going to sort of do this and stop. And then I've got 2 centimeters across here. In other words, 2 of these. 1, 2. Then I'm going to finish off this little bit and come down. Hit it with my straight line. Then finish off this rectangular face here and join like that. So that's that. How far in do I go? Well, if this is 2 centimeters and that's 4 centimeters, this must stick out by 2 centimeters as well. So I might as well just label that a little bit there. So that's 2 centimeters as well. And because that's 1, all these are 1 centimeters as well, and that's 1 centimeter. So back to my graphics pen, so to speak. I need to go 2 in, which I'll do straight away. So 2, see how easy it is? It's beautiful, isn't it? Lovely. We want to be architects now. Then come straight down 1 centimeter. I've done that bit. How long is this little bit across here? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to come 5 squares down here. 1, 2, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and stop right there. Okay. So that part which is horizontal is sort of coming out towards us along here. This part is 3. So I can pick this up and go 1, 2, 3 and stop. 1, 2, 3 and stop. This part is 2 centimeters. So I join these ends like that. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So I think I'll do that. 1 and oops, that's not very good. Start again. 1 and 1. Then that's 2 going into the screen there. So 2 sections will finish that off, and then just join the end from here to here, and that will finish off this beautiful looking shape, and that's it. Alright, I don't have to do the dotted lines at the back. I've drawn you a 3D representation of that shape up there, and that will get me all the marks you want. I'm not going to start drawing dotted lines across here, what have you, and ruining this lovely work. I have drawn what I've been told to draw, and that is beautiful. So that's it. Let's just label the sides for completeness. I've got the time anyway. Let's go red on this. Let's just use the same length that's on the original. So that's the 1 centimeter. That's 2. That's 2 centimeters. That's 3. So this is 3 centimeters. That's 2 on the original, so 2 centimeters. I'm told that's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is. 4 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 labels all done, and I'm very happy with that. And I've not done it before on the screen. I quite like it really. If we need to use these at school, I'll buy some or just download them and print them off for us to use, because it can't work on squared paper. So thank you, and that's 8.3 done. It's a really good question.